Welcome back to another video. In this interesting video I will be showing you 4 channels who copy and follow Mr. Beast's niches, content, thumbnails and much more. But before proceeding I will request all the dear viewers to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates because this channel keeps on providing you videos like this. So let's begin. Our first channel is Zalmy Gaming. This channel copies Mr. Beast's everything. From titles to content, from thumbnails to descriptions, from niches to algorithm. Everything means everything. This channel belongs to a Pakistani person and this guy has gained huge popularity within a very short span. With his content he has got over 4 million subscribers and earns millions of dollars per month. This guy has even met Mr. Beast, which shows that how much helpful it was to copy Mr. Beast's content. Zalmy Gaming is known for creating content that mimics the style of Mr. Beast, often featuring elaborate challenges and giveaways. His videos typically include high-stakes competitions and engaging storytelling, similar to Mr. Beast's approach. Now moving towards the second channel, that is Little Zalmy. This channel belongs to a very young guy who is actually the younger brother of owner of the Zalmy channel. This channel also copies the same niches of Mr. Beast and earns a huge amount of revenue from this content. This channel, as you can see that the thumbnails are totally similar, the titles are similar to that of Mr. Beast. The age at which children are studying or just playing in parks, this guy earns millions of dollars at the same age just because of his intelligent mindset and his content. This channel is also from Pakistan, and to be honest the channels that I have found are mostly from Asia who are copying Mr. Beast niches. I don't know why people from other continents are not using the same strategy. It is highly recommended for them to go and try this trick. The third channel that also copies Mr. Beast content is Fukra Insan. This channel belongs to an Indian guy and this guy has got a huge amount of subscribers. As you can see that this guy is having insane amount of views over his videos. This channel also creates same type of content. For example, Mr. Beast creates videos that include gameplays, donations, challenges and much more. This channel also creates same type of content. This channel has been running on YouTube from a very long period of time, which has earned him a huge amount of audience and subscribers plus popularity. This channel is a very famous channel in India and Pakistan. If you ask any kid in these countries about this channel, they are going to tell you each and everything about the channels. The fourth channel that I will be mentioning is Fizi Rug. This channel creates videos of same type as that of Mr. Beast. This channel creates videos like challenges, different games, reviews and much more. This is the only channel that I have seen so far out of Asia copying Mr. Beast. This channel has over 28 million subscribers on YouTube and has billions of views. So you can estimate that how much revenue this channel makes by simply copying the content. As you can see the thumbnails, the simple titles, the content, all of that is resembling to Mr. Beast content. So this channel also proves that copying famous channels can also help you gain huge amount of popularity. But if you are having a content which you think can gain more popularity, then you should never go for copying, instead make people copy your content. So these were 4 channels that get a huge amount of viewers each month by copying Mr. Beast's content. You can also apply this trick because Mr. Beast is no small YouTuber. He has just reached 500 million subscribers. I hope you liked the video. I want you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. And do not forget to like, share and comment. See you in the next video with a more brilliant content and useful information. Till then, bye.